yeah. Mate, I just felt weightless. Oh, I felt weightless for a good few times on that. One of them comes up, it's a real steep slope. I was like, whoa, go down it. I was doing was throwing the front end down too early on some of them. It's good though. Yeah. Those ones where you come up and there's a massive down slope, I was going over them, whoa, flying down it. One of them's well steep as well, isn't it? It's wicked. Let's go. Yeah. Heart of darkness. Sweet.